Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. Today is one of my favorite days of the year. Not because it's fall finally, guys. I don't really like the cold, so that ain't what it is. But today is, let me turn around here so you guys hopefully can see. Today is Foxtoberfest. We are out here having a good time so far this morning. We've done ran into quite a few people that I see every year. Done spoke with them. And we're gonna get ready to get this video started, guys. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking us out. I hope you guys are ready to see some beautiful Fox bodies, and we'll see some also works in progress. But make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Keep watching, man. Trust me, you ain't gonna want to miss not 1 minute of the video, guys. So let's get this thing started, guys. Foxtoberfest 2019. Alright guys, we've been walking around out here checking out all these foxes, and we actually run into a couple of fellow YouTubers. I'm sure you guys watch them. We're all kind of like a little old tight-knit community, to be honest with you, because you know the live feeds, I can tell by the live feeds, man. But we got a couple guys up in here. We got one guy all the way from what is that, Michigan? Grand Rapids, Michigan. Yeah. And of course we got Pony 1992 from South Carolina, like me. South Carolina boy. We're just out here hanging out, enjoying ourselves today, checking out some pretty foxes. We're gonna walk around with these guys a little bit. We'll come back in a little bit, and
you knew Demon Fox was gonna be here, so you made the trip down.
No, I think the only reason why he come down, to be honest with you, is because he knew Foxcast was gonna be here. Everybody comes to see Foxcast, but you know, you could come down and see Dover.
Yeah.
Because what I understand, he don't like to travel out too much, so that's what them guys told. Ken and them told me. Yeah, he's busy. But guys, we're gonna walk around, check out some more of these beautiful cars here, man. This is probably one of my most favorite events of the year. Not just for the simple fact of all the Fox bodies, but you can pretty much bring whatever you got. Everything's welcome, man, and the actual spectators judge the cars. So you may have a chance to win a new convertible top, new piece of carpet, whatever. So this is by far one of my favorite events. And we're gonna get back to it. I'll see you guys here in a little bit. right, guys, we're out here at Foxtoberfest.
Foxtoberfest.
Yeah, I'm about to lose
You want to
it.
say Fox Mustang Restoration?
Yeah, I
that's
was
what
going to say Fox Mustang Restoration.
They
But-
run Foxtoberfest. So.
Yeah, they do, and actually they're cool people, man. They got plenty of parts. If you guys look for anything, make sure you hit them up, Fox Resto. Everything's winding down right now. The weather's starting to look kind of crappy, but as you can see, we're running to our good old friend, Gearhead 704. His beautiful Tar Heel Fox is right over there.
Yep.
As you guys seen in his last video, he's having a little bit of issues with it. So, you know, I hate it for him, I really do, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, it's part of experience. But I feel for you, man.
I appreciate it.
I really do. But you know, we can't leave the show without at least saying hi to Gearhead 704, guys. You know that. So
Well, that's how I found your channel. Last year's Foxtoberfest video is how I found you. So
yeah, well, I did see your car here last year, and I may have got it on film.
yeah, but he didn't put it in the video.
Yeah, I didn't put it in the
question
video.
is, did you put my car in the video today? That would be
no.
hilarious if you don't 2 years in a row.
No, I ain't got it yet. I ain't got it yet.
All right, well, I'm going to leave you alone so you actually get my car on the video.
we're gonna get his car to video, guys. That's for sure. But yeah, if you guys don't know who he is, which I'm sure you do. If you watch my channel, I'm sure you guys watch this channel. But if you haven't, go check him out. Gearhead 704. Love his channel, man. He's turning some wrenches, doing some work, putting out the videos, and he's got a good sense of humor, guys. So go check him out. I'm sure he'll appreciate it.
Absolutely.
We're gonna walk around here for a few minutes, then we're gonna wrap it up here for today.
Yep, it's winding down. Well, thank you, brother.
All right, guys. Foxtoberfest 2019 is officially done. Rain's starting to move in. A lot of people, as you see behind me, has done left. There was a ton of cars here today. There's a bunch of beautiful cars out here, man. I enjoyed myself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop me a comment down below, give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to Foxtoberfest 2020, man. But like I said, guys, there were some beautiful cars out here. I hate I couldn't get them all for you guys, but I tried to do the best I can. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.